Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer all of your data from an old iPhone or Android phone to a new iPhone 17 or any iPhone on the latest version. So let's get started. First thing is make sure you power it on by holding on to this side button until you see the Apple logo, and then swipe up and select the language and then your country or region and the appearance that you would like. So I'm going to go with the default one, hit continue. Now, when it comes to setting up the phone, if you have an iPhone nearby, you can proceed with this, which this will look like something like this. So let me just show you. If I have another iPhone near it, I can just go ahead and continue to unlock, and I can begin the setup process. So I'm going to exit the setup here just to show you how I can do it later on as well. So if you don't have it right away, you can always go set up later, and then you're going to start by selecting your network. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Now once you put in your Wi-Fi password, and it's going to say a few minutes to connect, you can proceed here. And now if you don't have an iPhone that you transfer over, you're moving from Android, I'll show you a way to do it as well on that. So Android also has a feature or an app that allows you to do that. So on an Android phone, you're going to go to a Play Store, search for an app called Move to iOS. So Move to iOS. If you search up this app and you install it, it will basically allow you to easily switch from Android. You just have to follow through the prompt depending on the exact model you have. So I'm going to go ahead and allow permissions. So example, all of that, turn on notification, things like that, and then go ahead and do notification, and then from there I'll show you how that's done. So we're going to hit continue here on this device while I put the Android down. I'll show you where we proceed. I'm going to select our age and the Face ID. If you want to set it up, you can set it up later, basically to scan your face to unlock, use Apple Pay and other services. I'm going to do later. And then passcode, you want to set it up. Now if you're moving over from another device, it's going to take on that passcode as well, or you can set a new one here. So let's go ahead and just set a simple one here. Of course, make sure yours is much more complicated than this. You're going to strong a passcode. So this is where the transformation happens in terms of when you're transferring your data. There's multiple ways to bring your data. If you happen to have iCloud backup, which is going to be the easiest way to do it, you can just go ahead and sign into your Apple account and it will begin the transfer. Now, if you have another iPhone near you, as I mentioned, that same screen will pop up here if it didn't pop up the other time. You just have to unlock your phone. Once you unlock the other phone, it'll basically let you scan it. So I'll go ahead and do it one more time. You could do this. Or the other option you also have, if you have another backup on your PC or Mac through iTunes, you can also follow that prompt to do that. You just have to connect the charger directly to your Mac or PC. And then Android, this is the one if you're moving to Android, as I mentioned, Android one, you want to do move from Android. And then all you're going to do is open up move to Android here, and you should be able to use both either Wi-Fi or connected with a cable as well to begin the transfer. Both of the methods will work. So if you have, for example, Wi-Fi, you can hit continue, and then you can add, there's going to be a code basically that links both of the devices. So you can select basically that and then hit continue, and you're going to enter this code to begin the linking. So those are going to be for iPhone and Android. Method will work. Now I'm going to show you if you did from another phone, another iPhone, for example. If I had one here, I would hit continue to begin, and then after that, it will basically, you'll take your old iPhone and you will basically scan that code and it will start setting things up. So here I'm not doing it, but essentially the setup process will take about, depending on 10-15 minutes, depending on how much data has to get transferred over and all that. So you can kind of go through all of that to proceed. And if you don't want to transfer anything, you can always do the other option and then just set it up like that. So that's how the transfer is going to happen. I hope this video was helpful, so please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. See you guys next time.